Hello. Yes. Do you like games? No. Do you like bed?
No.
Do you want to sleep?
No.
Do you want soda?
No.
Do you want to listen to music?
No.
Do you want to kick me?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Ow. That kind of hurt. Did it hurt?
No.
Are you tired?
No.
Are you hyper?
No.
Are you bored?
No.
Do your feet smell?
No.
Are you hungry?
No.
Did you have cereal?
No.
Did you draw?
No.
Did you draw that?
Yes.
So you did draw.
Yes.
So you drove. You drew. Do you like your shoes?
No.
Do you like your trash can?
No.
Your chair?
No.
Your dresser?
No.
My stuff?
No.
The fan?
No.
Outside?
No.
The thing that has all the pictures?
No.
Ed Hardy?
No.
Paramore?
No.
Guinea pigs?
No.
Tama?
No.
Balto?
No.
Callie?
No.
Do you like fingernail polish?
No.
Do you like Pepsi?
No.
Mountain Dew?
No.
Remote control?
No.
Coke?
No.
Do you like seats?
No.
Do you like dream catchers?
No.
Do you like soda?
No.
Cherry Coke? Do you like speakers? Do you like flat screen monitors?
No.
Do you like glass?
No.
The sunglasses?
No.
Do you like water bottles?
No.
Pencil sharpeners?
No.
Nail polish?
No.
Cat? Lotion? Socks? Dante? Devil May Cry? Nero? Thomas? Thomas's face? Brayden? Brayden's face? Sage? Sage's face? Alright. There you go. She doesn't like you. Alright. Peace out, people. Peace out. Peace out, people.